Take a moment and think about this. You open a few apps on your Linux Mint system, maybe a browser, a file manager, a couple of tabs, and suddenly everything starts to slow down. The system feels heavy, switching between apps takes longer, and sometimes it just freezes for a second. Now here's the interesting part. In most cases, it's not your CPU causing the problem, it's your RAM getting full. And once that happens, Linux starts using disk swap, which is much slower. But there's a smarter way to handle this, and that's exactly what we're setting up today. We're going to enable something called zRAM. What zRAM does is simple but powerful. Instead of immediately pushing data to your slow disk when RAM fills up, it compresses that data directly inside your RAM, so you're basically squeezing more usable memory out of the same hardware. And yes, this can make a very noticeable difference, especially on systems with 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. So let's set it up. First, open your terminal. Now we're going to install the zRAM configuration package. Just type the install command and let it complete. It's lightweight, so this won't take long. Once that's done, the system already has what it needs to create compressed swap in memory. Now here's the part most people skip, but this is where the real control comes in. We'll open the configuration file. Inside this file, you can define how much of your RAM should be used for zRAM and what compression algorithm it should use. For most people, the default settings work perfectly fine, but if you want a balanced setup, you can allow zRAM to use around half of your total RAM. That gives you extra breathing space without overloading the system. After saving the file, all that's left is to restart your system. And once your system boots back up, zRAM is already working in the background. No extra apps, no manual control. It just quietly improves how your memory is handled. Now let's talk about what you actually gain from this. The biggest benefit is smoother multitasking. You can keep more apps open without the system slowing down as quickly. You'll also notice fewer freezes or stutters when RAM gets full, because the system avoids using slow disk swap as much as possible. On older machines, this can honestly make the system feel a lot more usable. It's not magic, but it's a very smart optimization. And there's another small advantage: reduced disk usage. Since less swapping happens on your storage drive, it can also help reduce wear over time, especially on SSDs. Now, the question is, how do you actually see if it's working? After rebooting, open your terminal again. Run a memory check command and look for something labeled as compressed swap or zRAM device. You'll see that part of your memory is now being used in a different way. You can also monitor your system while opening multiple apps. You'll notice that instead of immediately slowing down, the system stays responsive for longer. That's zRAM doing its job. So, in simple terms, you didn't upgrade your RAM, but your system now uses it in a much smarter way. And for Linux Mint users, especially on lower-end hardware, this is one of those small tweaks that actually makes a real difference. Give it a try, and you'll feel it, not just see it.